Starting a business in 2025 is like lighting a matchstick in a thunderstorm. Trust me, it's chaotic, unpredictable, but with the right strategies, you definitely strike gold. In this video, I'll be breaking down step by step how to start a successful business in Nigeria. Even if you have a little capital, no connection, no savings, or even if you're tired of trials and errors, you learn how to start a business that works in your area, how to raise capitals without loan, the legal steps to register your business, and the mindset shifts that separates successful business owners to those that easily quit. If you're tired of watching others win, you're tired of watching all your mates win, and you're ready to build or start a business in this country that is working in this country, not just in theory, but in real life, just stay with me. I got you. So let's get into it. Welcome. So first of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Omah, and I'm the CEO of Zoe Stores. Yeah. When I said Zoe Stores, I was like, I wanted to start a business because I realized that business was making it big. I started Zoe Stores back in 2023. I sell household items. I sell kitchen items. In fact, anything you need in your household, even fridge, gas cooker, solar, everything from the litterers, even shelves, wardrobe, and all that. So I said that, and before I said that, I was like, what business should I start? What business should I start in Nigeria that would benefit me, that I will earn from online business? Oh, and I thought about it. Should I open a shop? Should I get hairdressers? And I said, oh, there are hairdressers around me. And I don't know how to make my hair, though I can actually, you get pay some girls. Maybe I'll go to Badagry and carry all those good hair stylists. I thought about that and I was like, there's so many hairdressers around me. Will I actually sell? I needed something that would give me like, would give me my money. You get, so I said, okay, household items. People are really lazy to go to the market nowadays and they want something easy on them with shikini money. So voila, I said, okay, let me go into household items because actually, this period people are trying to move out of their apartment and people want to buy things for their apartment. People want to redesign their kitchen or get appliances and all those shit. So I was like, okay, let me get into this. Let me just try this. Let me give myself 3 months. And I give myself 3 months and voila, I was so successful. Look at me now thinking about getting to a shop. I've been talking to agents. I want to get a shop now because I want to move from online to like both in store and online, like hybrid or whatever it is. I'm going to be sharing all my strategies in this video. That is the end of my story. Now let's get back into the video. Don't touch that. Oh, I feel so pretty in the sun, like caramel skin. It's so skinny. One, find a business that works for you. See, forget trending business, clothes business, all those shoe bags, makeup, all those shit. Those stuff are trendy. You see 1,000 in your area, you see 1,000 vendors there. Just forget trendy business. Focus on things that will solve people's needs. Focus on solving problems. You see, Nigerian market or Nigerian business focuses like it favors vendors that actually solve people's problems, that vendors are problem solvers. Imagine an area or imagine something that you said, okay, the vendors in this part or in this that are selling this particular stuff, they are not that much and they're not much in my area. Okay, let me just open an Instagram account, get a supplier and start selling this, and I will name it okay, let's say household item in Agor Palace Way, or household item in Abule Bar, or household item in Ikotu, whatever. Like, what if you just try something like that? Then when people in your area they go online and be like, okay, I want to get some household item. They go there and they search household item in Ikotu, household item in Okota, and all that. They will see there's no way they're not going to see your business. That way, this thing is actually in demand, and you know that there are large amounts of people that are going to like go for this, that are looking for this thing. When they go online and they type, they see your business, they see your advert and all that shit. And finally, you've actually gotten your customers. So, like I said, Nigerian markets favors mostly people that make lives easier for people. So before you start that business, ask yourself, what do people around me complain about? What do people around me, what do they lack? What do they actually need that is not actually here? What do they lack? If it's that shawarma joint, there's no shawarma joint in your area, auntie, carry shawarma to your area. You can actually go into selling affordable food. You can actually go into selling anything. You see, the real money starts from getting your daily needs. Yeah, that's where the money is. You see those daily needs, those things people need on daily base, like the household items. Almost everybody's moving now, like I said, or you're talking about shawarma or delivery or food. You can start your food business, your online food business. You can start making soups and selling in liters. Like I think a friend of mine, she sells soups in liters. Like I think a liter of egusi soup, she sells it for 15K. Imagine two people order a liter of egusi soup. You just cook one small pot of egusi soup, and finally you can even from what you're eating every day, you can even remain the small stuff that you'll be eating every day. That way, you'll be feeling your daily needs, and you're also feeling other people, and you're also making your money. I meant money. Two, start with what you have, my brother and sisters. You don't need 10 million naira, 5 million naira, 2 million naira to start a business in Nigeria. See, many Nigerians, many successful entrepreneurs in Nigeria, if you ask them, they started their business with 10,000 naira, 15,000 naira, 20,000 naira. I know you'll be wondering that what will this money do? It will do enough. If you're venturing into food business, you can use 20,000 naira or 15,000 naira to cook a small pot of soup, or you can use it to cook jollof rice and chicken, and you sell per plate, even spaghetti, you sell per plate like 2.5 and all that. You make your gains. And when you're starting, don't really focus on big gains. Like you're starting chill, you're trying to get customers, you're trying to get reliable customers, you're trying to get people to trust your brand or whatever you're bringing to them. So you don't need to rely on that. Just start with whatever you have. You can even, you that is learning makeup artist, or you that knows how to do makeup, you that knows how to braid, you can actually use 5K to do your flyer and share it out. You can do your card, and when you're in keke, I've been in keke one day. I make my dress by myself. I'm not a fashion designer, I'm not a tailor, I don't pay people, but I don't pay people to make my dress. I make my dress myself because I learned via YouTube and all that stuff. So on in a keke, I saw a lady. She handed her card over to me, and she was like, I make dress and all that. And I was like, I make my dress myself, though I'm going to share to other people. Like I'm going to give this card to other people. I'm also snapping it and sending it to my WhatsApp status, so people are going to chat you and patronize you. Because whenever I was trying to, I was, forget what I'm saying. So what I'm trying to say is that this lady, like, she knows she's starting. You get, so she rather hand 5K. You can use 5K. That card she handed over to me. You can use 5K to do that card and distribute it. Even you're in a bus, you're in a keke, you be like, hi, I do nails, hi, I'm a lash tech, hi, I do microblading, hi, and all that. See, let me tell you a secret. When you start small, you scale fast. So look around you. What resources do you have? Your phone, your laptop. You could try online business. Your skills, just your skills. If you know how to make your hair, if you know how to make hair, you know how to sew. You could also try online business. You could actually make your card and share it out just like that lady did. Or is it just normal access to your local market? You can go there and you'll be like, I make this, so I make that, oh. Or you could even go there, get full stuff, and start a food business. Just start small, start something today, and trust me, if you start something today, no matter how small, trust me, by this time next year, you would have doubled, tripled, fourpled, and it will all happen. Trust yourself. Just start, and don't give up on the way, no matter what, because every issue, every problem actually has a solution. Three, register your business. You see, this step is the most underrated stuff, but actually very important. It is very important because this is the way you could build trust. You could build trust between you and your potential clients. Because not be everybody won't buy business from business we know they registered, because you know some business are actually scams, so people are scared of getting scammed. But when they see that you are already registered business, they'll be like, okay, this person has a brand, this person has a registered is a registered company, so okay, let me get from this person. They won't be scared that you may be a potential scammer. Aside from building trust, also if you want to get access to banking, to business banking, or even apply for grants for your capital, my dear, you need to register your business. Yes, look, it's not as hard or expensive as it seems. You can register by yourself through CAC. Yes, you can register CAC yourself, or you could actually go through a trusted agent. It's not that expensive, it's not that hard, it's just easy peasy, trust me. Four, build an online presence. See, whether you sell food, whether you do normal services, whether you do normal business or skills, see, with online, see, let me tell you, your family member, it's not compulsory for your family member to be your first customers. Your customer can be that brother that doesn't know about you, that's in the internet. Your first customers, your most trusted customers can come from the internet. When I started my business, my first customers, I didn't tell my parents, I didn't tell my family about my business. I didn't post it on my WhatsApp status. I started a new Instagram account, named it Zoe Stores, and I started posting ads, I started posting reels, I started making videos of me and my products and all those stuff. That's how I got my first customers. So people would actually want to check you online. Even if you meet that person and say, see, I make clothes, see, I do, people want to check your work. People want to check what you do, whether you're actually skilled. So they want to check online. They want to, that is your storefront. Now online presence is the most important thing in your business, because people want to check whether this person is actually legit, whether your face is in your business. And when you open your online presence, don't start posting pictures, post yourself, talk to your customers, connect with them. Let them see you, let them see that okay, you can even tag your personal page. That way you're building trust, that way you're making this person see that okay, this person is legit, this person is real, this person is it. You get, so you can actually try it in every social media. They say you can do Instagram, still the normal basic WhatsApp, Facebook. I'm heavy on Facebook, but like you can also go through Twitter, you can go through every other social media, even YouTube self. Cause like I said, your first customers will not be your family member, they won't be your friends. It's best for your first customer to be that random person on the internet. Five, stay consistent and learn daily. You see, business in Nigeria is not for the faint-hearted. Let me be forefront with you. Let me be serious with you. It is not for you will suffer. You go suffer. It's not for the faint-hearted. It's not. There will be problems. There will be trials and errors. There will be this. There will be that. There will be roller coaster. There will be emotion. You will cry. You will have depression. You will have everything. But at the end of the day, just stay consistent. Even on the bad days, even though you don't have sales for you don't have big sales for this week, no problem, next week you may have double the amount of sales that you think are big. So one day your business will actually go viral and you'll be a very big business owner. So just start small, because that big business owner, she started small. If you check many of the big Instagram vendors, they started small. You were seeing their throwback when they were looking all tacky and all that, but now they're all bad and bougie, classy and all those. Like, they started small. Make sure you stay consistent. Like I said, show up even if your sales are low. Invest in learning, invest in videos like this, invest in motivational learning, learn, invest in setting your mindset. So nobody say any small thing you go say, this video is not for me. I suffered with consistency. I suffered with consistency for the I know where I should have been, assuming I was not consistent. But what did I do? I started investing in my own learning. I started investing in consistency. I started investing in reading and all those stuff. So make sure, I'm not saying you should watch my videos or for motivation. You can watch other videos too. You can actually read books too for motivation. You see, one of my best book for today today that you're seeing me, it's Smart Money Woman. Smart Money Woman, I have the book one and two. It's somewhere in my shelf. I have the book one and two. I've read it up to 10 times. I'm not capping, even more than 10 times. I had it when I was in school, when I was in year one. That was back then in 2018. I've been reading it, like, I even have the ebook at the time. I was sharing the ebook to my friends. Yes, I'm that friend. Extra bonus, I want to tell you guys, stay around winners. If your friends are those people that are reluctant, those, we know what I mean by reluctant, those people that are just sitting down waiting for rain to fall. They are not going to find the thunder or the clouds that will make the rain. My sister, I'm not saying that you should unfriend them, you should cut them off, but stay away from them. Build that space, because energy robs. If you want to be successful, you want to be more than what you are, make sure you don't stay around people that will step down, that would like match it down. If not, it's over for you. No matter how determined, no matter how strong you think you are, it is all over for you, for my sister. So just make sure you stay clear away from people like that. If this video helped you in opening your eyes to see what is possible, help me smash the like button and comment, I am ready to start. I want to cheer you on. I want to support you. I want to be there for you. I want to show you the way. And if you're serious about building multiple income streams, side hustle, and your financial freedom in Nigeria, subscribe to the Omah Way, because this is where we make money and still do it with style. Oh wait, my previous video, someone asked me to where my previous video where I made a video back then about how to start a faceless YouTube channel with AI, and someone told me to be more practical about it. So this should be my next video. So I'm going to be posting it soon. So watch out for it. Watch out for it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
The Omah